to hear from our local wealth building expert, Richard Hansine.
Well, there's a coaching group called the Strategic Coach. It's done by Dan Sullivan. And I was a coaching student of his for 3 years. And through that process, the whole thing is trying to identify who you are and separate you or identify you as compared to everybody else. And so there'll be 50 people in a class, say they're all advisors of some kind. And when you go through the process, you'll end up defining out who you are, not who everybody else is. One of the biggest things that came up for me is compassion, and that's real high on my scoring levels, probably because of the situation my mother went through when my stepfather passed away and her financial affairs. As far as financial planning is concerned, you really need to get with someone, and you're welcome to call me. My first visit is free, to sit down and discuss the possibilities of working with someone to help you with your financial plan.